Step 1. Begin by removing the turbine, blades, and hardware from the packaging. Clear off all styrofoam beads as needed, and then place all the components in an easily accessible location. Step 2. Begin assembly by affixing the blade to the rotor plate. The blade is affixed to the plate with a hex bolt, split ring, and nut. Insert the nut into the back of the rotor plate with the rounded side facing you. Then, while keeping the nut in, flip the plate and place the blade into the desired slot. Insert the split ring into the opening, and then insert the bolt through to the nut and hand tighten. Once hand tightened, continue tightening with the hex wrench until full lock is achieved. Repeat this for the remaining set of blades. Step 3. Set aside the completed blade assembly and remove the nut from the end of the rotor shaft. Step 4. Slide the blade assembly onto the rotor shaft. Once the blade assembly is on the rotor shaft, slip the hex bolt into the opening. Insert into the center of the nut a large screwdriver and rotate counterclockwise. This will lock the nut and blade assembly onto the rotor shaft. Step 5. Affix the nose cone over the front of the blade assembly. This is best achieved by removing the bolt from the cone piece, then placing the cone onto the front of the housing and giving it a good whack to pop the flanges over the back of the rotor plate. Afterwards, reinsert the bolt and screw it into the center of the rotor shaft. A note here, you may have to press in on the bolt significantly to get connection with the threading to finally screw it in.